Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change language on Viber. Maybe you accidentally set your Viber app to a language you don't understand, or you simply want to switch to a different language. So today I'm going to show you how to change language on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, tap on General. Here, you will now see this language option. Simply tap on it. In this page, you will see a list of available languages for Viber. Scroll to the list and find the language that you want to switch to. Once you find it, simply tap on it. For example, I want to use Espanol, so I will tap on it. After that, you now have successfully changed the language on Viber. Now, Viber will be displayed in your chosen language. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change language on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change language on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.